Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tatiana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. So today's setup is a little different. I actually have it set up on my desk instead of like on the floor, and I'm sitting back from the desk. Whatever, it doesn't really matter, but it's a different angle. Sorry. So I look a little rough because today's kind of been a lazy day. But then my BoxyCharm base box finally came in. So here it is. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox that because I don't want to wait. So yeah, let's go ahead. All right, so it looks like I got the same variation as Dominique, which is freaking hilarious, like off the top. So here's what the stuff looks like. So the first item I'm going to pull out was my choice item. I was able to pick my May choice item this month. And so I chose the Glam Glow Mask. This is a Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And it looks like I have a card here. I didn't have a card with my premium box, so that's nice. So it says pack with gloves and love. So they use gloves to pack everything. That's good. And so the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask, a creamy, nutrient-dense smoothing mask with the antibiotic-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. And so that was $49. I can believe it because Glam Glow is extremely expensive. I've always wanted to try some of their stuff, but they're expensive and I don't want to buy it myself. Okay, so the next thing here that I see is the Glow Recipe face mask. I kind of wanted this too, so I'm excited. So this is a Glow Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this is what it looks like. And what does it say? It says, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. Okay, that's a mighty big claim. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. So I got two kind of like fruity face things here so far. They're kind of hot because they were in the car, but it doesn't really smell like watermelon. It smells like face stuff. Doesn't even smell that fruity. Hopefully the heat didn't ruin it because it was outside in the mailbox and then I went somewhere. Then it was outside in the car. So Glam Glow. This kind of smells like berries. Okay, so I just wanted to smell that one too. All right, so the next item here is, it looks like some Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes, which is good because I need some more wipes. And this is, okay, the I don't know how you pronounce it. Beauty care. Oh, this little thing keep flying up and looking crazy. So this is the AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals wipes, okay? These Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. If you can prevent dark spots, because as you can see, my face is breaking out like all over here. I'm gonna have some dark spots. While brightening the skin, they remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. So this was $17. The watermelon sleeping mask was $22. Yep, I got the same exact box Dominique got, which is crazy to me, but whatever. Okay, so this is the Moda Pro. Excuse me. I just had some crab legs, so I'm a little full. Moda Pro. This is a 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features a superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. And this one is $27.95. I do like getting brushes in my BoxyCharm because I always could use more brushes. Like, I'm always looking for some that I like. Oh, these handles are kind of textured. Like, can you see that texture? So it looks really, I mean, it feels really nice, and they're super soft. So yeah. And so I have a crease brush. Oh, and they're labeled. So like, focus on the word. Okay, it's not focusing on the word, but it's a crease brush. And then we have the shade brush. And we have the smudger brush. Ooh, I love smudgers. Okay. And then we have the line brush. These are really nice. I love the way this texture feels. And then we have the detail brush. Ooh, yes. I'm so excited. I probably can create some really good eye looks with these. So I'm super excited for these. I love everything in this box so far, which is good. So that means I love all of my premium items, just about. And then I love everything in here. The only thing that's kind of questioning now is this concealer. So this looks like the Tresique. I don't even know how you would pronounce that. Concealer in the shade Toffee. And so it says, this is the Tresique. I don't know how you would pronounce that. Cover Concealer Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easily glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. And this retails for $24. $24. I gave no information on this. I'll open it upside down so I can't get it out. I gave no information. So this box, the base box, is $25 a month. It is, should have a value of $125 or more. This is what the concealer looks like. It's kind of light. But like, I feel like to highlight, maybe it'll be okay for my skin tone. Nah, that's kind of white. Which it doesn't look like it would be that light. We'll let it oxidize a little bit, see if it changes. Okay, so those were the 5 items that we received. We got this, and then this, and then the 2 masks that I'm super excited for. So this was everything. I'm gonna add them on up and let you know how much they cost as soon as I find a calculator. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this box was the BoxyCharm May 2020 base box. This box retails for $25.95. Where'd that come from? It retails for $25 a month. It is supposed to have a value of $125 or more. This month's box did come kind of skincare heavy. Like, I got 2 masks, I got makeup wipe removers, and I got like tools to use on makeup, which is nice. And then I got the concealer, which it's oxidized a little bit. It's still kind of light, but I might can get away with it. Like, my skin is kind of, I don't know, maybe we'll see. But anyways, so this month's box, after adding everything up, retailed for $139.95, meaning I saved $104.95 by paying $25. Actually, that's wrong. I did the math wrong because I think I subtracted 35. Yep, I subtracted 35. It's 25. So I saved $114.95. So that's nice. But yeah, so I really did enjoy my box this month. There has been a few in the past that I wasn't like 100% happy with, but this one I do like, even though it's skincare heavy, and I mostly got BoxyCharm for makeup, but I'm not too mad about it. I'm excited to give all these masks a try, and I'll even try out the concealer this month, see how it is, and then I'll rate it if it was my skin tone or not. But yeah, so that has been this month's BoxyCharm base box unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, come back and see next month. So I'll see you guys. Bye.